Assalamu alaikum guys. In this practical video, I will guide you for some common mistakes in the construction of this RCC slab, especially for steel reinforcement. So let's get started guys. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, you can see on the top of this floor beam at the distance of L by 4, where we require to provide crank bar or extra steel rods. Instead of this, they provided lapping length. Guys, you can see. So this is one of the big mistakes. Guys, you can see on both sides they provided lapping. This is not the place to provide lapping. This is the place to provide bent up bar or crank bar to resist negative bending moment. On the other side, guys, you can see also you will see the lapping at this place where we required in one way and two way slab crank bar, but they provided lapping. If you are working on construction site, so be careful, especially for lapping length, that where is the best place to provide lapping if we require it. So don't provide the lapping at these places which I have discussed, especially the junction between beam and column at the distance of L by 4. So there it can increase the chances of cracks. Guys, you can see this is floor beam, and now you can see the lapping. They will provide lapping at this place. You can provide the lapping after L by 4. So don't provide the lapping at the middle of the slab and also at the distance of L by 4, but you can provide at the distance of L by 5. And don't provide the lapping at the same point, as you can see in this video practically. Guys, you can see here they provided the lapping which length is up to 2.5 feet. So for lapping we have the standard formula from 50 to 60D, but this is not the place to provide lapping. Guys, you can see the floor beam steel reinforcement hooks are bent on 90 degrees, so this is also one of the big mistake. It should be provided on 135 degree. Guys, you can see the laborers are working. This is not my side, just I am recording the video to guide you for some common mistakes. This is single mesh, which spacing is 12 by 12 inches. On the top of this, they will provide the other mesh. Then the spacing will be 6 by 6 inches. Guys, you can see this is cantilever beam. On the top of this, they provided lapping. So therefore, I am telling you, be careful, especially for lapping length. Guys, you can see clearly. At this place, we will provide specially crank bar or bent up bar or extra steel rods, but don't provide lapping at this place. If you require, so find the proper place for lapping. Guys, you can see stirrup spacing is also maximum. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.